Well, hi there. I'm Kristen. I'm with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm taking you on the tour of 255 Rawle Street in Montoursville, Pennsylvania. This is a cozy and unique single-family home with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and let's stop wasting time and get to the tour. Well, guys, rain or shine, we are always going to show this beautiful surrounding neighborhood around our properties. And I just want to showcase the adorable exterior of this home out here on Rawle Street. So let's come up the driveway here. As you can see, you can park side by side. There's plenty of room to park 4 cars here. 2 tandem, really makes a nice little parking area there. And then you can obviously keep your trash right back over there. So let's take it inside. So when we come inside, you have this nice little area right here that's got linoleum. This would make a really nice mudroom space. Add a little coat rack, hat rack, something like that over here. You've got the flooring so that if your shoes are a little dirty, you don't have to worry about getting the carpet messy. And then we're gonna come right into our main living space here. I love this cozy cabin feel. I also love that even though you have electric baseboard, you do have this beautiful pellet stove that you can utilize for another source of heat in the winter time. There is also room to set up a cozy and comfortable living room space. You could also do a dining room table over there, but if you didn't want to, you have this beautiful kind of raw edge bar situation where you can do some high stools, and that's going to lead you right into this beautiful galley kitchen with a full-size fridge and a full-size stove. And I love when you're here at the sink, you can see out to the gorgeous backyard. So before we go any further, I'm going to take you out to this backyard. You've got covered patio space here. You have this nice pad right there. That'd make a really neat area to do like a patio set, maybe kind of like one of those little pop-up awnings, your grill and stuff. And then you can see the property line right along here where you'd have to take care of the lawn. Now let's go back inside. I also love that the majority of the living is on the first floor, with no exception to the washer and dryer connection. And you do have a little closet for storage that has all your water system stuff as well as your water heater. And another little feature that I do seriously love is the built-ins here underneath the stairs. Utilizing all that extra space is such a fantastic thing. Now let's keep on going into what I would call the master bedroom. This is definitely the largest of the 3 bedrooms. You could certainly do a king-size bed in here. You do have a little hang bar right there. And then you have a nice fitted out closet with 2 hang bars inside. Now coming around the corner, you have your full-size bathroom. This is nice and long, but not small. So you have some built-in storage here and up here, great for your towels and toilet paper. You have this beautiful, creamy, full-size bathtub and shower. And then you have that creamy color coming through on this marbleized countertop. Not a double vanity, but you do have a lot of space up here. You have storage in the medicine cabinet and storage down below. Now we're going to keep on going through to the second bedroom. This is probably suitable for about a queen size bed, but a full bed would be fantastic in here. What I love about this bedroom is this great big closet. So you can see you've got a hang bar and a shelf here, but I'm inside the closet and I'm coming around the corner. Now you do have another door, but I just wanted to show how it interconnects by going inside the closet. Now let's take it upstairs, because we do have some fun things up here. Now, first thing you'll notice is a door right here, but there's no way to get inside. This will actually remain locked. It's just a crawl space area, but you do have this nice cabinet here with the glass doors that you can use for storage. And then you also have this great closet that's fitted out with shelves and all that. And another built-in feature, which is a dresser here. You have this cute little open area here that you can use maybe as a little office or a hobby space. It's nice and open to the downstairs. It does have a tight clearance. I'm 5 foot tall and I'm actually able to touch the ceiling with my hand, which doesn't happen very often. But then last but not least, we do have the third bedroom up here. This would certainly be suitable for up to a queen size bed. And it is not lacking having a closet because we have a hang varnish shelf built expertly right into the curvature of the home. Well, I think I hit the nail on the head when I said cozy and unique. Literally, the only thing that's missing is you calling it home. So what you need to do to make that happen today is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about this property. You can book your tour and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today because y'all, I am anxious to help you make this your home.